Hi everybody, thank you for watching. Dankie dat jy ingetune het. Today's tutorial is this look over here. So if you like this look and want to see how I actually created this look, then please stay tuned for that. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get on with the tutorial. If you hear a little bit of baby sounds at the back, just know that my baby is awake now, so he is talking his own language. So yes, so let's get on with the tutorial. So now I'm going into the LA Girl Pro Concealer High Definition Concealer. Yeah. And I'm just placing this under the eyes. Guys, in case you're wondering, my baby is right here, if you can see. Hello, Momo, goodness. Hello, Momo. Hey, So, oh snap, nou moet ek die ding reg maak. But if I'm looking down, you guys, just know that I'm actually looking down here because he's lying here. He slept now, but now he's awake and I think he's a little bit bored. Going into the Fit Me natural beige powder on the sponge, and I'm just setting under my eyes and I'm pressing the product into the eyes. I'm just setting the rest of my face as well. I am going to go into bronzer, and for bronzer I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Bronze Color and Highlighting Kit. Bronzing color to, ooh, well, to hoe kwart, kijk het, ik kan hem mijn nies gemaakt. Then for highlight for today, for highlight, I am going to use this Profusion highlighting kit or palette. And then it is 2, 4, 5 beautiful shades. I just don't know really how this works. It's the first time that I'm going to use this. So it also comes with this brush, a highlighting brush, and I'm going to use this for on my cheeks. I am going to apply this light pink. This is actually the name, light pink. I'm just gonna apply it on all over my cheek and then like so, just for a healthy glow. And then also on my nose, a little bit on my forehead, like so, a little bit here. And then I'm going to go into that bronzer again, just to bronze up even more. And I'm going to go into the blue. And I'm just going to apply it on my bottom waterline. Let me just zoom this in. You guys can see a little bit better. And I'm just applying it on the outer part of the eye. This one, and apply it also on my the line with the black opal liner. I'm not doing the full outer line, just the outer part. Using this highlight color in here for the inner part of the eye, and also for the brow bone. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Obviously you've seen the intro as well, so this is the final look. I just want to show you, it's really incredible what type of difference a lip do to a whole look. I went in and I went into my favorite liquid lipstick. Really, this is my favorite one. This is the L'Oreal Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. I always use this liquid lip. This is not, I wouldn't say it's like a natural lip, but it's more like a dark brown type of vibe, like a chocolate-ish color. So then I went into this color, and then I also went into the Makeup Revolution. I think this is also like a matte lipstick in Grandee. So it's like a pretty pink color. So these two is this on my lips. I just want to make that, I just want to highlight that. So I did use just first, but I wasn't really feeling the lip color with the eyes, so I went into this too. So this is the final result, you guys. If you like this look over here and you enjoy the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, 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 you guys, subscribe to my channel. And I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, I would see you guys in my next one.